Shalom and welcome to another episode with Bat Caleb Consulting. And this is part three of businesses you can start for $100 or less. Here's our contact information. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Praise Yahweh. Let's begin. The scripture that we're dealing with is Matthew chapter 13, verses 31 and 32. Another parable put he forth unto them, saying, The kingdom of heaven is like to a grain of mustard seed, which a man took and sowed in his field, which indeed is the least of all seeds, but when it is grown, it is the greatest among herbs, and becometh a tree, so that the birds of the air come and lodge in the branches thereof. Now you know the size of a mustard seed. It's very, very small. However, once you plant it and water it, it grows into a nice, sturdy tree. Now, that concept is going to be used in business. So, this is part three of businesses you can start with $100 or less. Mustard seed, notary public. It's commission fee and it varies by state. You can get paid a fee by becoming a notary. Once certified, you can charge for signing and travel. Mandatory costs that you'll pay is your application fee, the bonding, required course and seal. That's between $100 and $160. It depends on your vendor, the course choices. You can learn it free online and then take your test, so forth. Now, in-person notary acknowledgement is up to $10 per notarial act. So for each document someone want notarized, that's $10. If it's remote online, then you can charge up to $25. And this is for the state of Florida. I don't know about the other states. You can go ahead and look into that. But become a notary public. That's easy. And a lot of people need legal documents notarized. Mobile phone cleaning and sanitizing service. Bet you never thought of that. Offer on the spot screen cleaning for phones, tablets, or laptops. Those are like the filthiest things ever. Now, if you want more information and details on how to do that, then you can reach out to us. But for now, I just give you the ideas. Online course creator or a local skills teacher. Record lessons on basic skills, budgeting, cooking, repairs, and sell it online. It's easy. Everything now is so simple. Next, house number and mailbox painter. House number or mailbox painter. All you have to do is purchase paint, some clean stencil, and what you do is paint it. Go through the neighborhoods and offer to paint their house number or paint up their mailbox. You will make money doing that. That is a great business idea. A lot of older neighborhoods, or more mature neighborhoods, up and coming neighborhoods, they will definitely pay for that. Junk or scrap metal removal services offer to haul off unwanted items. Then you take it to the scrap yard and they pay cash for metals. And right now, metals are at an high all-time high in price and value. You have no reason to not be a productive member of society. You have no reason not to be rich. You have no reason not to be wealthy. Yahweh said it is I that give you power to gain wealth. Yahweh give you power. As long as you can breathe, you still have an opportunity. That's power. Appliance cleaning and detailing. Deep clean ovens, refrigerators, or microwaves. It's great for realtors or landlords. You can get with real estate companies, get with realtors, get with landlords, and hey, get a contract with them when people move out or when people moving in. You just deep clean the ovens, refrigerators, and the microwave. Those are like the things like normal, regular housekeeping services don't pay for. Regular housekeeping services don't include that. It's an extra fee. For people like me who have like regular maids on hand, that's different. But when you're talking about like regular maids that come where it's like a subscription where every other week or so forth, they charge extra for that. You can do that and make money. Gutter cleaning service. A gutter cleaning service focuses on removing leaves, debris, dirt, and sludge from the gutters and downspouts of home or small commercial buildings. Clean the gutter to prevent roof leaks, foundation erosion, and water damage. These are problems that cost homeowners thousands to fix. All you need is a glove, some gloves, ladder, bucket, trash bag, garden towel, or scoop, and a hose. The hose is optional, and you can use that the customer water. And then you charge an average at $100 or $200 per house for single story. When a two-story home, you're talking about $300. That is easy, easy money. If you can do two homes a day, you're making $600 for the day. Three homes a day, $900. Four homes a day, four times three is 12. That's $1,200. Easy. Independent courier, small freight driver. Use your car or small van to move local packages or furniture. I see some people who work for Amazon and they rent budget trucks or U-Haul trucks. You can go rent out a small U-Haul truck and use it and become an independent courier or small freight driver. You can be a trucker without having your own truck. Rent a truck. Flyer distribution or door-to-door marketing. You help local barbers, landscapers, or restaurants promote their business. Have them pay you to hand out flyers for them. That's money. I am giving you ideas that is so simple that's in your face that you can do today and make money today. Voiceover or audiobook recording. Use a smartphone mic, and free software to record for clients online. You'll be shocked as to how many people use this service. Mobile trash bin cleaning service. Clean and sanitize trash cans for homes or small businesses. Those trash cans be so filthy. Oh my gosh. Just like for us, we have, a biblical holiday coming up and it's going to be 8 days. I know the trash cans are going to need cleaning. These are stuff like no one wants to do themselves. You be that person that people pay to do it. That's money. Resume writer or job application finder. You can help people write resume or help them fill out job applications. You would think that it's so easy, and if you think it's easy, then you should help people. That should be a business you do, and you should help people do it. It's easy for me, but a lot of people they do not even know how to write a resume. I've done recruiting for years, and you would see like the things, and you're like, oh my gosh, really? They don't even know how that they're supposed to have professional emails. Help people, help others create professional resumes or apply for jobs online. That is a big deal, especially right now with the economy being like this. A lot of people need their resumes spruce up so that they can apply for jobs. It's a competitive world out there. You make that money helping them so that they can get an edge on the competition. Event setup and breakdown helper. Offer chairs, tables, and tents set up for small community events or parties. Look at that. Easy. People are always having community events and parties. Always. You make money doing that. Or get with a company who already doing it. If you like, oh my gosh, I don't want to do that. Get with a company that's doing it and work with them, and you get paid. Be their day helper. Product tester, mystery shopper. Get paid to give feedback on products or local business services quality. Mystery shopper. You can do a mystery shopping for like Starbucks. Test products. You're in a pool of just money floating around you. You just have to switch your frequency and align with it so that you can get it. If you're broke or poor, it's because you want to be. Let's just be honest. There's a lot of things you can do to make money. Be the one that breaks the glass ceiling. Be the one that color outside the line. Be the one that jump out the box. Clothing, ironing, and alteration service. Help people look sharp by pressing or hemming clothes from home. That's easy. Get a sewing machine. You can do that. You can do it from home. Home-based businesses are not dead. They are alive, alive, alive. All right. Glory to Yahweh, his son Yahweh ben Yahweh, and his son Ahia. Yahweh will be what Yahweh will be. Let's lift him up high. Praise Yahweh. Shalom, shalom. Hopefully this video helped you. There's a lot of ideas in there, and I will do part 4 because it's so much more, and there's so much more easier stuff that you can do. All right. So praise Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. Have a wonderful day. Here go our information by Consultant at gmail.com.